Hey guys, this is Shay with DB Utility, and today we're going to show you how to install a water meter. So pretty soon, you behind the computer watching this video, you'll be in person with me next week doing a 3-day training, a little bit more hands-on to get more efficient on how to actually install. So first step first, we're going to go ahead and notify the homeowner, and I'll be right back once we notify. All right, cool. Now that the homeowner is notified and we turn on the spigot to the house, we're going to go ahead and shut off the water. We're going to go ahead and loosen the 2 nuts that are connected to the meter. So let's go ahead and do that now. Crack your utility side nut. And on this, it's righty tighty, lefty loosey. So as you can see, both of those nuts are cracked. And then we're just going to go ahead and loosen these. And now that the meter's out, we're actually going to look at what type of meter it is. Is it a 5/8 or is it a 3/4? So this one, as you can see, it's a 5/8 meter. So what we pull out specifically on this project in Travis County, we're going to be putting a 5/8 back in. So let me grab that. You already got it for me. We're going to want to pull out all your old washers before we put new washers in. So now that I got my 2 new washers, we're going to go ahead and put in the new water meter. One of the most important things as you go to put in the new meter is your flow. So you want to make sure the arrow's always pointed towards the house. So I'm going to go ahead and put one of my gaskets in. I like to always start on the utility side. And I like to tighten it where it's nice and snug, but nothing too tight. So now we're going to put the customer side in. And I like to hand tighten as much as I can. And then we're going to go ahead and tighten down with our channel locks. And I'm just going to tighten down with my crescent wrench. And then last but not least, certainly the most important step here is turning the water back on. So I like to always turn for a half pressure first. You can start to hear the water go through the actual meter. And then we're going to check for leaks. I don't have any drips, no leaks. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the valve to its full on position. And now that the spigot's running, I'm going to make sure that the water has flushed through the line at least 7 to 10 gallons. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the spigot off. And one final step before we take off and go to the next house is we're going to clean up our area and left it as we found it. That's going to include putting your lid back on, putting my tools back, grabbing my meter, and we're on to the next house.